and welcome back to part 5 of the Tony Kart Renovation series. And the day has finally come when we start taking care and taking a closer look at the engine. The Tony Kart Extreme chassis behind us is almost done and ready to hit the track. So it's about time we get this Vortex engine in top shape. So let's take a closer look. So what we are looking at here is a Vortex VL95 100cc air-cooled engine. One of the first engines produced by Vortex for competition use. So truly a big part of building the foundation for Vortex to the iconic brand that it is today. This specific engine hasn't been run in at least 5 years. So we are very unsure about the actual state of it. We don't know how the cylinder looks inside, the condition of the bearings and so forth. So today we're going to bring you guys along when we tear it down and look at the state and understand what we need to do to get it into racing shape. Okay guys, so after taking the engine apart and taking a closer look off camera, we realized that the engine is actually in much worse condition than we originally thought. So we're gonna go and visit some friends that will help us along the way and that has much better knowledge and skills of how to get an engine in top shape. So let's put it in the back of the car and go for a road trip. Let's go. Just a quick message guys, when we started to tear down the engine, I was too excited and too focused trying to learn everything. So you guys will only follow along with me standing behind of the camera. I hope it's okay. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. But otherwise, let's get back to it and enjoy the process. Okay guys, so we're actually back in our own workshop after a long day of fixing and working on the engine. I would like to say a big thank you to Lucas and Fabbe, who did everything they could to help us out with the engine, sharing their knowledge, using their workshop, and sharing all of their skills to get the Vortex engine for the Tony Kart back into racing shape. So Lucas and Fabbe, you guys are champions. Thank you very much. For the engine itself, we didn't quite have all of the parts we needed to complete the engine today. We were missing a few bits and bobs, the piston rings and a few other bits. So Lucas will help us to complete the engine off camera. So the next time we see each other, we will have a complete race-ready engine to put back on the kart. And hopefully, I think we will manage to complete the project and get it ready to hit the track for the first time in many years. So we reached the end of this episode. Thank you very much for sticking around all the way to the end. On the next episode, we're gonna complete the kart. We're gonna mount a race-ready engine. We're gonna decorate these quite boring white side pods and nose cone. We have received the first stickers, but also we received a few original Tony Kart stickers from Fabbe down in the engine workshop, which is really cool. So they're gonna get a special place on the chassis. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and let me know what you think about it down in the comments. And until next time, take care.